Hey there, welcome to GTECHAI. Have you ever wondered how people create those colorful nursery rhyme videos that get millions of viewers on YouTube?
The good news is you don't need animation skills, an expensive computer, or paid software. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create professional kid nursery rhyme videos completely free.
The first step is deciding what kind of nursery rhymes you want to make. You can create your own rhymes, use traditional nursery rhyme that is in the public domain, or create educational songs about ABCDs, numbers, colors, animals, good habits, fruits, or shapes. But here we are going to use one of the popular nursery rhymes that parents used to search for and also repeat mostly on YouTube. Here I'm going to search it on YouTube. You can see here, brush your teeth. This is what we are going to use. You can search for the latest lullaby on YouTube and then recreate it like this, or you can use this one which parents used to search for and also which can increase the watch time. This type of nursery rhyme we are going to use. Now here, first know the age group you are creating the lullaby for. Here I'm going to create a lullaby between the age of 1 to 5 here, like this. You can use any other AI tool, but here I'm going to use ChatGPT for this demo. Here, and here type the lullaby like this. Here, brush your teeth. Now here, use this prompt like this. Let me copy the prompt here, and here copy it and paste it on ChatGPT here. And then you can see how the prompt is here. You write a short, simple nursery rhyme for toddler. You can see the age limit 1 to 4. You can change the age limit as you like. Now here, about brushing their teeth before bed. Here you can see, and remove the top one here. Here is the description about brushing their teeth before bed. And here you can see the requirement. Here on the requirement, you can see 2 verse, 4 line, each extremely simple, repetitively word a toddler can follow. You can see. Now here after typing the prompt like this, what you do now is to send it here by clicking this up arrow and then wait for it to create it. Now here you can see the verse here. You can increase the verse as you like here, depending on the description. You can see on the requirements, you can increase the verse here. You can see the result as the description on the prompt here. You can increase the verse. Now copy the verse. Now open your Suno AI, which is where we will generate the audio version, the music version of the lullaby. Here, open the Suno AI. Go to your search engine and here search for Suno AI like this. Now here is the Suno AI here. You can see. Now click on it here. Now here what you do now is to paste the style here like this. Let me copy the style. You can see the style. You can write your own style your own way here. You can see here I write it cheerful children lullaby. You can see this is the style I want to create the lyrics for. I want to create the audio for. And here you can copy it here, your style, define your own style, ask AI about the style, copy your own style here. Let me copy the style like this. Sorry. Let me copy it like this. Now go back here and then paste the style here. You can see. Now what we do now here is to click on continue. And here add the lyrics here. And here go back to ChatGPT and copy the verse which we will use as lyrics here. And here copy the verse like this. Now here paste it here. You can increase the verse as many as you like, which I've said in the beginning. And here what you do now is to click on continue here. Now here it says you are almost ready. And see here it says create. Click on it. Let it start creating. As you can see, you are making your song. Now as you can see, the song is ready here. You can see. Let's check it. You can see. Now what we will do now is to click on continue in order to download the audio here, which we will use as the audio in the lullaby. Now here what we do now here is to click this three line icon on the down section, the bottom section here. You click on it. Here, this three line here. Now here you can see download here. Now click on download here, not which you will use at the background here. And here you can see MP3 audio. You can see as many more here. You can download it too. But also now here what you do now is to click on MP3 here audio. You click on it. And here you can see needed commercial right. Only pro and premium songs are eligible for commercial use. Now you can only own it in order to avoid copyright issue by upgrading your package which worth it. But here I will download it because of this demo tutorial. Now here I'll click on download anywhere to show you how to do it. Here as you can see it is preparing here. But the premium package is worth it because this Suno AI gives the best audio for a nursery rhyme rollback. Now here after creating the audio, now let's create the scene here. Now let's create the scene. What you do now here is to open another tab here and then search for Google Flow. See, and search for it here. And here you can see it here. Here it says Google Lab. Now click on it like this. And here click on create with Google Flow here. And here after following the sign up process here, and what you do now is to click on this new project here. And here what you do now is to paste the prompt here like this, the same prompt here, paste it here. But in case you find it at the side, paste it also, paste it here. Now here what you do now here is to here they says nano banana. Now click on it. Now here set it as 16.1 here, and then set it as 1x, which means only one, it will generate only one scene at a time. Now set it in as video here. You can see how I set it as video. Now here what to do now here, now send it to create the scene here. Set the time frame as many as you like, but make it shorter in order to reduce more crazy usage here. Now send it here and wait for it to create the scene for you. And here is the scene. Let me know bore you, let me create all the scenes and then show you how to edit it here. And here download all the scenes like this. Now you can download it by clicking on it like this, by pressing on it and then click on download here. Now let me download all and show you how to edit it. And click on download. Let's download this one. Download. Now let's edit it on CapCut here. Now open your CapCut or your video editing tool. Now what you do now is to select the scenes like this. How you stage it here, like scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 and scene 4. Now select it like this. You can see. Now after selecting it, what you do now is to click on add it. You know how to add it in your video editing tool. Now add it and see how it is. Now edit it here. Now after editing it how we want it to be, like muting the voice like this, mute the voice, and then okay, let me edit it and then explain. And here after editing it all, here you can see after editing it all, now add audio, which is the background music for the toddler. Here add audio like this by clicking on this add audio and then click on sounds here to your device by clicking here this icon, select device, click on allow. Now here you might not see it here. What you do is just type brush. As you can see, as the name it is saved with, I'll type brush here. Now so you can see brush. Now what you do now is to click on this add here, add it to the background here. And here you can see, now here you can test it like this. Brush, little teeth up and down, so sweet. Brush, shining bright now. And here you can see it. Here after editing it here, what to do now is to save it by clicking this export here. You can ask ChatGPT to create the scene for you in the same chat. Here you can see the verse here, and then you can see the scene, how I ask you to create the scene. You can define your own way. Here is what I say: write the best scenes for this lullaby in scene 1 to 4. You can see it here, and here you can see the scenes here. Now you can see. So that's how to do it here on GTECHAI. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorial, and then see you on the next video. Peace.